Hello there and welcome to another one of these Lexical Lab 1-minute English videos. If you like this video, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out our website www.lexicallab.com to find out more about our online courses. This morning I read a rather remarkable story about a guy who had escaped from jail. He somehow managed to break out about 10 years ago, and he spent the last decade living back where he grew up in the same town, in the same area, using his own name and paying taxes in his own name. Basically, he's been hiding in plain sight. In other words, he's sort of managed to make himself unnoticeable by hiding in a place that somehow kind of masked his presence or covered his presence. We often use this phrase when we're talking about abusers. So there's been a whole string of stories of high-profile sexual predators like Mohammed Al-Fayed, the former owner of Harrods, Jimmy Savile, the former BBC disc jockey and TV presenter, Russell Brand, who apparently some people once regarded as a comedian. And all of these characters often joked or made comments about their sort of sexual predatory nature. Jimmy Savile used to make comments about it. Russell Brand used to make jokes about the abuse that he would inflict on women. And I guess people just assumed that because these people were so open and so sort of witty about what they'd done, that they couldn't really have done these things. And as a result, they managed to get away with it for a long period of time. They managed to hide in plain sight. In the same way, alcoholics and drug addicts often manage to hide in plain sight. You might work with someone who keeps nipping off to the toilet and comes back rubbing their nose or blowing their nose and making a joke about having a cold again. And it might take you years to realise, to finally work out that actually they're a cocaine addict. Or maybe you work with someone who keeps popping into the cupboard to have a little drink of orangeade, and they come out and they're able to teach again for another hour or two. Because basically they're a kind of closet alcoholic. They're hiding in plain sight. It's sometimes used as well to talk about little tiny details that are hidden on buildings or maybe in TV shows or in movies, things that you only notice if you look very, very carefully. Even though they're there, they're visible, it's difficult to notice them unless you're really paying attention because they're hiding in plain sight. If you've enjoyed this video, please do click the like button. Please share it on social media with your friends, your students, your colleagues, and in the comments section below. We'd love to see examples of how you might use hiding in plain sight.